Stop messing with your wig.
Man, KFC or oh, Elise said Chick-fil-A. You said no. KFC, Popeyes. You said real chicken, so them the only two. Popeye line be long here. You just want Popeye because of the biscuits. You. Beat it up like chinchillas. Look at me. Let them drop, go. I said I like it like that. Happy Saturday. It's the weekend, y'all. I'm chilling. I'm at KFC, as y'all can see. Well, if you can't see this big red thing, but KFC, y'all. Sound like we get KFC every Saturday. Might well call it Chicken Saturday. And I'm pulled up. Is one car in front of me. And it was like, pull up to the door. So, hey, I'm sitting here waiting because I wanted my stuff crispy and hopefully it's fresh. Because I know how they be. I used to inspect restaurants, y'all. I don't know. Probably told y'all before. I need to do a store time. I just jumped on here, y'all, with just vlogging, straight vlogging. I can't remember if I did anything or not, but I'm gonna do something with me, my husband, the kids or whatever. So get to know us or whatever. Even though we've been vlogging, and do some challenges, y'all. I guess maybe nothing major, something just simple. Like Truth or Dare challenge. I want to do that. I mean, not Truth or Dare, Truth or Drink challenge. I want to do that. I seen the Smack or Facts. No, sir. No. Can't do it. Can't do that one, y'all. So, maybe hitting too hard. Maybe we do like this with the powder. You know, touch my face, but all that. So, I don't know anything else, y'all. I ain't been seeing nothing. I be seeing on YouTube a couple I be watching. They be doing challenges and stuff. I'll be watching a lot. So, give me some recommendations, y'all. Something not crazy, because I ain't with the crazies. Anyway, let me sit here and listen to music, because I ain't talking about nothing. Sitting here waiting. Hungry. I ain't ate all day, so my second meal of the day. And the first meal was just some rice. Nothing, so. Girl. Hey, y'all. Good morning. It's the next day. We ate KFC last night, as y'all saw. But I didn't show anything else after that. And I just got home from grocery shopping. I'm about to get ready and get Sunday dinner started early. It is 10:15 a.m. Trying to get it early. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Say good morning, Darian. Darian. Good morning, y'all. Say good morning. Goodness. She's here eating muffins and drinking milk. Yeah, can y'all believe these groceries? That's all I got from the store. And that right there. It's $97. That's it. And some muffins I got her. $97. Groceries are expensive. So I'm gonna get started with cooking and get today going. What you gotta say? What you gotta say? Hi. Hi. Hi, mama. All right, y'all. Okay, y'all. I'm finished preparing the food, prepping the food. I'm gonna get ready to put the ribs in the oven. It is now 11:36. This girl. I gotta get some. We gotta get some locks for these cabinets too. So here, how it is. Watch me.
I'm recording you.
Yep. So yeah, I'm putting the ribs in the oven. You recording me or you recording the ribs too?
I'm recording you.
And the ribs. That's what's the purpose. Me doing the ribs. You gotta be a better photographer. I mean videographer. Videographer is the one that holds it. That's that's why I said bag up. You horrible.
Shush, Darian.
You supposed to be able to record me doing this, record me, put it in the oven. Okay, then come hold your sister because I put this in there.
Darian, you in my business? Don't do that.
He need to do that because you ain't doing it right. So y'all just put these in the oven. But it says $2.75 for 2 hours or something. But I'm at $4.25.
It takes 2 hours to cook some ribs.
But I'm going to cook it longer.
So now they're gonna be burnt.
They're not gonna be burnt. They're gonna be falling off the bone. And I'm gonna put these baked beans on later, y'all. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
I'm gonna put these baked beans on probably at the 2 hour mark. You know what your videos be looking like, but I like mine to look a certain way. But y'all, I'm just gonna put these baked beans in there later. And I'm gonna turn this on later too, probably at the 2 hour mark. Thank you. I don't know what this last clip looked like, but my daughter was recording me and she was doing a horrible job. Gotta teach her how to do stuff. She's only 8, but gotta teach her how to do it. But I'm going to put the baked beans on later, and I'm going to put the cabbage on. Well, it's on, but I'm going to turn them on later. And I gotta put some rice because my husband loves rice with his any kind of greens that I cook. He like rice, and I'm gonna put some cornbread. I got fish, y'all. This is something new that we haven't tried. So this is the honey flavored, and then I'm gonna get these as well. And I'm gonna do muffins. I usually just do a pan of cornbread. So I'm gonna do muffins this time. Pump stop. Okay, y'all. So this is the finished product. We got some honey flavored biscuits or whatever. Not biscuits. Cornbread muffins. Regular cornbread muffins. Extra buttery rice. Cabbage with sausage and bacon and bell peppers and onions. We got baked beans. We have a slab of ribs, and we have some Western ribs. 2 different flavors on the ribs, so can't wait to eat, y'all. Y'all see this child?
They must have been on a team. Wait, I see.
I know, yay.
Got it. The ones who cleared the game came out. I was right. They have locker keys. Over here, 3 people came out.
Y'all, she been climbing on me like a little monkey.
They seem like they're together. They're headed in the same direction.
Stop, man. She was climbing all on my neck. All on the pillow. Stop yanking my shirt. Yeah. Stop pulling my shirt.
They're getting into a car. They might be collecting all these old cars as an organization. They're rolling.
Climb on her bed.
Where are you? The car's headed for Mayhama. I too.
nosy.